We're here doing a culinary tour in Lisbon. I'm like the directions guy. If we need to go south, she goes north.
Yeah, well,
and if we need to go west, she goes east.
But you never know anything, and it's culinary backstreet.
These facades mirror the windows in the actual buildings. That's really cool.
Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open.
Like we say in Portugal,
Anassa.
you really feel it, not only the heat, but if you will feel it helps you digest. That's why we call digestives to brandy, or brandy can also be a digestive for whiskey.
Back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't.
It just chisels that all out, the whole side.
When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind.
The palace is abandoned. We've got this all for ourselves. This is original from the 1600s. The tile.
By the wayside, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open.
My favorite viewpoint of this city. Are you staying close by?
A-double-R-A.
Yeah.
Okay. Para. Pachra.
Here they have the football court.
Oh yeah. So you know how I say I almost lose you every day? The tour guide just basically said, I have a feeling we're gonna lose your wife today. So I guess I'm not an idiot.
Because I'm taking pictures.
So supposedly we're going for coffee now. Maybe a little pick-me-up. He's 93. They've been running this business
Next month is his turn.
for 70 years. 70 years, Christy?
Fennel, cloves, cumins. This one is piri piri.
Oh, so good.
Take a picture of it.
Who's also been with this grocery store for more than 40 years. There used to be several of these grocery stores in these streets. Nowadays is the last one.
All handwritten displays.
People took a lot of work
Crazy.
in making beautiful displays. My favorite.
And what's it called in the year again, sorry?
Spinheira.
Okay, and in 1840.
From 1840, yeah.
Okay.
And still exists in the same place in Rocio Square.
Okay.
And when you go inside, it's a hole in the wall, no place to sit, and the man always asks you one thing: com ela or sem ela? Ela means her, and he's asking if you want with a cherry or without a cherry. I always try to give my guests with a cherry because to have the full experience.
I think we liked it.
Then we are going to a more modern. Please welcome to the Tavern of the Sea.
Good?
It's very good.
Behold and see a very special thing that is in season.
Just to know, you're gonna smell like grilled sardines all the day. The idea here is just to melt the fat on the top. See the fat? All the technique is Japanese, all the ingredients are Portuguese. Use that sushi rice, the Portuguese rice, the Portuguese vinegar, everything is Portuguese here. The best way to eat this one by hand, the normal way to eat the nigiri sushi. You grab on the rice and turn it upside down. Cheers. Cheers. I feel like that.
Bummer we're not here for the sunset, but this is where you want to come. That's how they do the garbage. She just puts it down with a piece of rope. Community center from 1922. I have to say, these homemade chips are unbelievable. Homemade Firewater on our last stop of the night.